Hello, Miss Kerr's class. I'm Mrs. Kerr. I'm going to read to you a poem today called Rebecca Who Slammed Doors for Fun and Perished Miserably. Trick that everyone abhors in little girls is slamming doors. A wealthy spanker's little daughter, who lived in a palace at Green's Bayswater by the name of Rebecca Offendor, was given to this furious sport. She would deliberately go and slam the door like a billy-o to make her Uncle Jacob start. She was not really bad at heart, but only rather rude and wild. She was an aggravating child. It happened that a marble bust of Abraham was sitting just above the door this little lamb had carefully prepared to slam, and down it came. It knocked her flat. It laid her out. She looked like that. Her funeral sermon, which was long and followed by a sacred song, mentioned her virtues, it is true, but dwelt upon her vices too, and showed the dreadful end of one who goes and slams the door for fun. And children who were brought to hear the awful tale from far and near were much impressed and inly swore they never more would slam the door as often as they had done before.